So what are the plans today?
Well, we've got a nice northeasterly blowing, bit of swell. We're sheltered between these islands at the moment, and the wind is bending around towards us, so it's making life a little bit more difficult, pointing into the wind a bit more than we will when we leave these island shelter. And we're making our way down the coast. We've got a headland just up here that we've got to go around, and then we'll head into a gulf that'll take us down to Arbortax.
What would you like to say about the day's sailing?
Today has been a day of contrast. The day was a big day. We had big gusts, we had big waves that were astern of Miskatona. Miskatona did a bit of surfing today, but it was certainly manageable. And we made our way down to about 10-15 nautical miles out of Arbortax, and we had some nice weather, nice blue skies, and then with 10 kilometres to go the wind got up again, and then we made our way into the port here in strong wind again, and we had to